Yo, all right. Today is March 13th, 2025. Um, I'll quickly go over yesterday's trades. I'm gonna pull up the video and go over them. March 12th live chart, and the clock should be. This is not the real time clock. I have a real time clock somewhere, probably behind this. Behind this. There it is. Cool. It's hiding. All right, move this up here in the corner. All right, so I took two trades. We had like a nice little up and down thing going on here. I wanted to go short. I wanted to see ES come up to this level here, coinciding with what NQ had with this little body candle right here, the RSI. NQ went higher above it, but ES kind of just held this selling volume right here. All right, kind of held that and stayed below it, which I wasn't too much of a fan of. Then we came down to my EOV area, but NQ didn't touch it. So I saw absorption. I wanted to see price get above, come back retest or above something, but we didn't get that. Got above, but we didn't do like a nice retest. We kind of just showed signs of still selling, right? Here is where price did reverse. I felt like I took a trade already. Did I miss my trade? I feel like I took a trade. Yeah, I took a trade over here. Let's go back. All right, yeah. I know I took a trade. Okay. All right, so price created a nice volume dip right there. Candle, hammer candle. Let's go back to that candle. All right, created a nice candle. It pushed up very high. I think it's this one here. Nope. Maybe it's the next one. Nope. All right, we're gonna wait for it. There it is. So nice spike, right? And then it held. I said, okay, I saw that. I just wanted to see price break below it and retest. And Q came back to that same level that we were talking about for ES, but ES never went to it. So now we're pushing down. I'm liking what I see here. I like that we're moving away. Got the RSIs running. We still have some room to move here. Oh, this is what they touched. I didn't mark this. NQ had this right here, which coincides with this right there, which coincide with this little areas here. But there's no way I could trade this because it's just so fast, right? So I didn't bother, looking into that. Well, at first I didn't look into it, but there's no way I could have traded that. But then it created another footstep. I'm glad I didn't, because then I would have had just different stuff all over the place. But now I'm thinking about it, I think that's as high as volume came back up to when it actually, I think it came back up to this area, which I am not going to have to review. So NQ came to the area. ES was just really flirting with it, not giving me anything. No signs of like selling yet. We have buying. I don't have any signs of selling that I trust. So I said, okay, if ES is not giving it to me, I'll wait. All right, so now I like this right here. I think there, right? Signs of selling, right? We push up, and then now we got a drop coming in. All right, boom, signs of selling. I like this one. So let's run it down, and let's try to move down to the 590 area. Right, I'm gonna see if I can speed this up a little bit. All right, so it's gonna go a little faster. So here we go. So a little bit over 10 points right now, or about 10 points. I think I'm out here. Yeah, I moved my stop loss because we're really moving, but we had a little roadblock right here. All right, and we have the same roadblock later on in the market, and for some reason it didn't click in my head to say, hey, we had two same roadblocks, same things happen. Because when I took my trade at 1 o'clock, same thing happened here. We see that price did 2 dips, and then after that, now we're going into my level. I wanted to, but I'm already out. I didn't enter. I didn't enter into the trade again, which I could have entered right here for an add-on, right? If I was already in profit, and then enter again right here for another add-on right here, and here we go, dipping into it, and then there goes our exit right there, right? RSIs go to the level, and then boom, right here is where Carmine took his trade. No, that's not here. Carmine, that's his trade. He took his trade when this one was in that area down there. So we're gonna go forward a little bit. All right, here we go. So that's it right here, back. All right, so here, let's see. We see that. Oh, nice, something to see. We see that selling dies out. I did not notice that. I'm noticing it now, right? So we have staggering selling into that level. Price drops, and then selling starts to die out. Our price is just like looking for things, looking for things, looking for things, and then there's no more selling. All right, selling dies out. Now let's see what happens after that. That's 8:44, so I need to be a little faster with this. We're already 6 minutes in. All right, so now we have this here in RSI. We got some weird selling happening, but looks like what's happening. Maybe people are getting into the trade, but people getting not. I see buying stepping in right here. Buyer stepped in here. Absorption before. Price pushing up. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers stepped in. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Price comes back and retests. Maybe enter here or enter as price is going. One of the two. Stop loss right there, and he pulled it up to there. We can see buyers stepping in a lot right here. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in. You know, we hit that level. This is good. We got above this, so let's go back. I just want to review this. All right, so here we hit a level. Buyers are stepping in. Buyers stepped in. So one more time. Buyers are stepping on the 15-minute. We can see it here, but nothing down here yet. We're closing the 15-minute. Buyers are stepping in. Okay, are they going to continue? All right, we got a push. Okay, fluctuating. Buyers stepping in. Buyers stepping in. Buyers stepping in. Good, good, good. Buying here, buying there. Good. Buyers definitely here. Let's get a quick retest, and let's enter. Boom, 570, 560. Open up to go down here. 20 points, 10 points. Probably risk 20 points gain. For me, I'd go back to this level here at 56.18, where I would want to go. This here is very weak to me, so I would want a little higher than where Carmine stopped. You know, being cautious of this area here, which was a roadblock for me earlier, which I'll go over again. So buyers stepped in very nicely. So something for me to look into, just looking for that. Boom, right? It died out, and then buyers said, okay, let's get in. So price died out, buyers stepped in. I'm going to have to just be very aware of all of that. It's not very easy during real-time trading hours where my brain has to be so aware of what's going on. Right, this would indicate maybe I should put a stop loss right here in case this decides to fail, but I'm still aiming for that 56.10, 56.18 area here because it just makes sense. So if I do get stopped out here, it sucks, but that would be the goal. Hoping for that to hold. I like this retest. Enter again right here. Stop loss there. All right, need to get above VWAP. Struggling to hold it. Not really feeling how price is acting right now. Maybe move my stop loss right here because now we have another dip. Looking for price to really push in through that. There we go. It's getting in there. And then, all right, we're getting our exit right there. Boom. Both sides of reversals. We hit absorption and we're done. Boom. That would have been a nice, beautiful trade. That would have been a nice, beautiful trade. All right, so that was that trade that I missed. This is the trade that and this trade here is where I got in. With that trade, you see this, we had that absorption level. I marked it, Price struggled the first time, came in. I said, okay, I think we're ready to go. I saw sellers step in for this one. Seller stepped in just slightly, right? Not major. Did seller step in the first time? Let's see. All right, I don't see signs of selling. I don't see kind of want to sell. All right, the other one was very strong when it happened, right? This is like sellers want to step in, but not yet, right? So price goes back up. Okay, so this is a good review. I'm gonna be a little over with time. It's 10 minutes in. All right, here I saw somewhat seller stepping in, not strong enough. It's not very harsh. But I entered there. I was about to panic a little bit. I wanted to exit. Still looking for this to be very dark, but not dark enough. Still orangey. All right, there. That's what I like. I wanted to see this harsh pink. All right, we got a lot of sellers. This is what I would have loved to see. Right, and then it dies out. It dies out completely. Then maybe just exit the trade. All right, but my stop loss is here. See, it dies out. Buyer stepped in. And I got stopped out at break even. Selling stop. The other one, it was like a consistent price move. I'm glad that I did walk away here. I walked away here. I was just like, screw it, I'm done. I couldn't mentally take it anymore. And then we do get buyer step in. We have buyer step. Buyers want to step in, and as you see, as buyers are trying to step in, price is pushing down. So somebody's buying here, or price is pushing down. All right. So maybe enter here, stop loss right above. All right. So we read that whole range of that yellow candle on that 1 minute. We did that whole range there. So now it's just saying that if price can probably go, because there's buying trying to happen, but price is not moving up. We're in selling territory, selling. And then just run it right back down. That 55.60 is where I wanted to exit. First would be this price here, and then down below. So this would have been a nice trade. Wait for that pullback. Once price starts to drop down, enter again right here on this candle right here. Stop loss at 56.10. All right, so I would have got stopped out at 56.10. Really would have got stopped out here. All right, so that would have to been the exit right here. Now it's 312. Price goes all the way back up. Has a buying, fell to buying, retest the buying. So let's go back a little bit. So here we have strong buying on the candle, but weak down here. Price drops below all the buying, retest the buying, kind of like how we had earlier way back down there, where price had that reversal and it came up. But here we don't have any selling, right? Retest that little node, and then after that price really just sells off. I wish this could go just a little faster. I'm a little bit over with time. I'm gonna go a little fast with just finishing the things. I think I did most of my setups the night before. Let's see what happens after this. All right, so price starts to want to sell off, and we don't ever get down to my level down here, 55.60. Right, so hitting that IB and this balance low would have just been good enough. We hit this, and bam, and then that's it. So I mean, that's still a good trade. That's still a good trade. If I entered way up here, right here, I believe. All right, 56.20, and you get down all down to 55.90, so 96.10. So I'm just gonna 95. So we got 10, 20, about almost 30 points. That's pretty damn good. And risking about, I don't know what this is. What 15 points. All right. What is seller step in over here? Yeah, probably would have entered when one of these started to break right about there, right? So bam, and then right above, so about 6 points to make about 30 points. That's pretty damn good, right? I'm hoping to get a selling candle, right? Let's see here. We get the selling candle. No, not yet. All right, keeping an eye. Yeah, we got the selling candle, but we didn't break yet, so we just got to get below it. I like this. Didn't get below it. Still holding. This is below it, so maybe there, right? I'm over here. I was looking at the wrong thing. So 40, right? So yeah, 35 is the selling candle up here. I like it. Selling candle, and then enter it there. Stop loss right above that selling candle. Looking to get out down there. Yeah, so that would have been a good trade. All right, so that was basically the trades yesterday. 2 trades, break even. Worked out eventually because that was my initial stop loss, my take profit here. But we got stopped, and then price went after all of this. I wasn't at the computer. This one worked out very nicely. This reversal worked out very nicely as well. So things for me to just keep a note when I am trading the combine. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so yesterday price sold off on VIX, a little bit of buying on ES and NQ, right? We're still on the RSI bottom. Not sure if we're going to go any lower or not, but we haven't shown signs of reversal yet. I don't see absorption here, so I don't think we're going to reverse yet. I would like to see a yellow absorption candle on the daily. Let's go to the weekly. Right, no absorption candle, but we do have a nice long tail. So you know, it's that. All right, 4 hour, we do have an absorption candle that we are holding. We did bounce off of it. We do have strong selling, but there's no buying reversal candles yet. But the absorption candles do you know, hold weight. They hold weight. So maybe here we may consolidate for a while before moving up. Get rid of this trend line. All right, so what's that? These were marked from when? This is from yesterday. I'm not gonna too much bother with that. I don't think I have much in there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Strong buying down here, so we are showing signs of buying on the lower time frame. Right, we kind of went through the whole up and down. Right, still in the selling territory, but we did clear most of that selling. So if we come back down here, we can buy up and really get moving. 30-minute. All right. Okay. 30-minute. All right, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna mark these here. So we have pre-market levels with buying and selling. Let's get rid of this. This one matches up for all of them. I'm just gonna make it big. Top left, it's gonna be 0, 0. We can move that forward. It's gonna be 30-minute sell. Sure, why not? And this area here is going to be where the wick is. Right? Maybe I'll start doing that for the wicks. Just helps out a bit to know. This is just the wick area. Beginning point 0. Same thing with this one. Beginning point 0, 0. Right? Alright, I do have to go a little faster to keep my. Alright, so I'm at 19 minutes. I'm going to try to end this very soon. Okay, we didn't touch that. All right. 30-minute buy. Like that. Beginning point 0. This one too. 30-minute buy. We did touch it. And then we have that. Beginning point. Should be 4 o'clock. 04. Oh. This high is 5575. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I don't know why it looks so weird. All right. Let's get rid of this. All right. Sure, why not with this one? That one we don't need to show. We're gonna do this like that. All right. Right down there. I am gonna get rid of remove some of these stuff here, some of these notes. These higher things can go. All right. Maybe that one can stay. Nah, it can go. Look what this one I did. Yeah, I did do the lows. I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. So we got that. All right. So that's the first things that lined up. I don't have anything else right now. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Got some RSIs over the night. And we bounce. We got all of that there. So that's still there. That can stay. Other than that, I don't have anything else. I can mark this as an RSI bottom. RSI bottom. All right, keep it like that. 15-minute. I might delete it, but all right. 5-minute, and like I said I'm gonna be in. Oh, okay. We got I think I want to start this one here. This. RSI top. Alright, 23 minutes. We'll start this one over here. Maybe it's the Wicks that are calling my name. Damn, when did I put that line? 5-minute RSI top. Looks like we're trying to go to it already. Again, actually. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. We don't really have a connection there because we destroyed that. So let's zoom out some more. This is overnight session, right? We got some failed buys there. Okay. I don't see anything here that's calling my attention. We're gonna go to this will stay because this matched. Apparently I got it from somewhere. Alright, let's go to the 1 minute. I'm gonna detach this, put it over here, and then our 1 minute, and then I'm gonna do my settlement prices, and then call it here. Let's do 1 minute. All right, so go back to the 30 real quickly because the 30 is what started this. Let's see if we have a set of things I can work with on the 30, on the 1 minute for this 30. 'Cause that's really where I have most of my things. You can see that we're really holding that. So maybe there's something there. Okay, so I did draw a nice little box on. Now I just want to mark where it's at. Alright, so let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute. Zoom out. Let's go there. Okay. Alright. Alright, so here's what we are working with. We got an absorption right here. Alright. I think these match. Yep. 1 minute absorption. Never touched it. Alright, do we have that on something similar? We have a cell. Okay. One minute cell. Wrong cell. Yeah, I have bottom top. Yeah, buy cell. Cell. Alright, so that's that one. Alright, sure on that. Alright, so I'm gonna zoom out. We got this little bad boy right here, which I think we loved. Alright, haven't cleared it yet. Let's see how we did. This one. This one we're gonna drag out. We're gonna drag it out, and I want it to be 5566.5. The top. 5566.5. That. All right. So okay, and I want to do the same thing with this one. 19432.5. 19432.5. And then we're gonna drag it out. That. Alright, so we have all of this here, potential. Okay. A lot of things are going on there. I'm not going to hawk too much on all of this. I do like this right here. We have a failed sell. The failed buy. Failed buy. One minute failed buy. Let's see if I have it on VIX. VIX doesn't have anything really I can work with. Alright. And then we got that selling that came out of that. And that's pretty much, thank you God, that's pretty much it. I just didn't want so much stuff. Alright, so we're going to work with this range of things. 30 minute. And we're going to work with this range of things here. We're going to see what we can do with all of that. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Got to mark that level. This is a 1 minute buy. Let's grab the 30 minute and just drop it there. 1 minute, and let's drop this 30 minute here and drop it there. One minute. Okay, and then let's go into Notion. Wow, 30 minutes. Man, I can't believe I'm back up to 30 minutes. I really don't like that. News-wise, 8:30 PPI came out. Not really thing major. that's pretty much it. So I don't think I'm gonna mark those, but why not? Why not mark them? That's the question. So I think I'm gonna mark them. Let's go back to the 30 minute. Well, 15 minutes, since I might mark the. Since I am going to mark them. Oh, I gotta do one more thing. Just remembered. Thank you God. Okay. So we have set. Right. Now look at that. We have set here. I did the same things every single day. Boom. All right. Key level apparently. I'm gonna drag this out. Drag that one out. All right. I forgot to look at. What else I was gonna draw? I said I was gonna draw something. Oh, news. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Doesn't really look like anything special, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, thank you. EODs, nothing there. Nothing there because we kind of cleared it already. It is an absorption area right here, but hopefully we can hold all of that. It runs well with the settlement price, so I'm not going to do much with that. All right, I think that's really where we have the most bulk of the things are right here. This is what we're actually really holding for the most part. You can see it kind of matches there, right? We're kind of holding that. We're holding that a lot. So I'm not going to really stress myself out with that. This is the settlement price, and we're kind of holding that area a lot. All right, let's look at VIX real quickly for an EOD down here. To the bottom. Right. All right, so really what we're gonna be working with, it looks like. So we can bounce off of that, and all right. So 1 minute. EOD on the. Okay, so that's it for me for today. I'll be back in the evening.